This multi-function turn signal switch from BASIKER is tailored for a wide range of Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler models that do not use automatic headlights, making it a practical option for many older vehicles. The switch consolidates control of turn signals, fog lamps, headlight beams, clearance lights, dashboard illumination, and dome lighting into one sturdy stalk, which keeps the steering column tidy and intuitive to use. Its construction with durable automotive-grade plastics is reassuring, as the lever feels solid in hand and is designed to withstand frequent daily use without becoming loose or creaky. Because it is built to mirror the original factory part, including the correct connector and pin layout, it typically installs as a direct plug-in replacement with no splicing or modification required. Owners who are replacing a worn or intermittent factory stock will appreciate that this unit restores crisp detents and reliable self-canceling signals, which improves both driving comfort and safety. Overall, this BASIKER switch offers an easy way to refresh aging controls on compatible vehicles while maintaining original appearance and functionality.